Hi everybody. Today we're going to show you how to take a free bus on the Big Island from the airport in Hilo all the way to the Mo'oheo bus terminal, which is a very, very short drive and actually is a little bit scenic. So stick with me here. This is footage of us flying in from Maui. We're going to give you all the scoops coming up. Yeah. Okay. So we just got off the plane from Oahu. Go get our bags and we'll go look for the place to catch the bus. Maybe we'll get lucky. The bus comes the 101 to the terminal bottom of every hour. So we'll see. Oh, there's one of them. Two of them. Oh, that's ours, yeah? Got it. All right. So here we are. We're walking to the pickup point for the 101 Hilo bus. Free bus as of September 2025. Still free. Just saw it coming around the bend. So we'll catch it. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
I guess it's right over here. According to the, yep, there it is. It's gonna be the one. Right here, everybody. See that? It's the one. The 101. To the terminal. Perfect timing. Look at that. Coming in hot. See that, everybody? Our plane was delayed. And where's that thing? It's coming in. That bus right there. We're gonna ride that to the main terminal and catch our transfer from there. That's how you do it. That's how it's done. This is the area. Now we're in the bus. Because you get lucky. That flight was about 40 minutes. Everything went delayed because our flight from Maui was delayed. And it was the same plane to take us over here to Hilo. So everything got set back. So we were lucky. We just barely made it. But this is the 101 Hilo bus at the Hilo airport on the Big Island of Hawaii. And now we are gonna go to the, forget it, Mo'oheo, I don't know, the terminal. We got a few stops before we get there. And then we will transfer because we're gonna end up trying to go to Pahoa. So we'll be trying to catch the 40 bus to go up to Hilo. Runs on the hour. So this bus here, the 101, is the bottom of every hour. Right now is, what time is it, hon? 10:30. It's right on time and we just made it. Man, lucky our luggage. They got it out and put it on the carousel pretty quick. It's a nice, kind of gloomy, overcast. Looked like it rained here today. We love it because we need rain. We need it on Maui. And we got plants over here that need rain too. So we love the rain. So that's what's going on. That's what's cooking. Any questions about taking the bus, let me know. I'll try and answer it as best as I can. I will tell you that if you go to this main terminal, there's actually a bus that's designated and dedicated to taking tourists up to the like to go, but in particular, as a person who doesn't want to rent a car and go to the volcano, you can just go straight up to see Kilauea from there. And then I think they have a shuttle service inside the park too, or you just hike. So that's kind of important. All right. This concludes this segment. One voice amongst many. Yes, Big Country loves you. Aloha.